and I'm very happy with the on the job, no? And the 24 hours that DPWH is doing. I'd like to clear everybody, and that's exactly what you guys have been reporting. Ang trabaho dito was way before the inaugural. Naantala nga dahil there was some discussion down on the budget, but this is because of the earthquake, remember, Alright, now that it is geared for the inaugural, I understand from Yusek Momo and Director Tayo of DPWH that they are finishing the refurbishing and the retrofitting of the front. But later on, after the inaugural, they will continue work here with the underground structure.
I'm sorry, nothing to worry about.
No, nothing to worry about. They have assured us that this is very safe and can carry the weight of so many people on full capacity.
When you said 90% finished, how about the remaining 10? Ano na lang finished?
These are the paintings that have to be continued. These are already the small works that have to be done. And of course, the media boxes and the media platforms that we have requested from them.
What might be the possibility that it will rain also on the 30th?
Yes, well, rain or shine, we will have the inauguration. We will be prepared with rain or shine. We will be prepared with yellow umbrellas for our volunteers and people at the grassy area. In fact, those that are coming, please bring your yellow umbrellas also. Mainit talaga. It's either mainit na mainit o tugulan.
Ang sabi nyo rin to provide the yellow umbrella.
Yes.
But still, that's not enough.
That's not enough kasi Dodo Jaworski and Sandy Kiwa, who head the mobilization committee, nagsasabi na nga sila 115,000 na ang total na pledges, no, of people that are coming.
150 na?
115.
115. So, kaya ko i-effort nila?
Dito sa grassy area, together with all the structures that we have done for the media, kukulang tayo ng space. So siguro lalampas tayo hanggang lampas ng Kalabaw.